Hello class and welcome to week 10 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, we will be continuing with the Criminal Justice Unit. You will be continuing to do the readings that you will find in the learning resources. And for this week, you'll be working on the discussion board post. It is the discussion board post for the Criminal Justice Unit, week 3. For this initial post, I would like you to respond to the prompt in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Please, no bullet points. Please organize your paragraphs by topic and not simply addressing the questions in order. Include information from sources when appropriate, complete with MLA in-text citation. Here's the prompt. After reviewing all learning resources for this module, review the CRJS essay assignment and consider the criminal justice issue you plan to write about in your essay. Write an essay topic proposal that addresses the following. Why have you identified this specific problem or issue as your essay focus? What do you already know about this topic? What 2 readings and/or learning resources do you plan to use in order to justify your arguments in your essay? Why have you identified those 2 resources in your essay? What specific information do you plan to use in your essay? What do you need to find out about this topic? What is your plan for researching your topic? Who is your audience? What do you want your audience to know, or believe, or understand, or do after reading your essay? And so the criteria, of course, will be to organize your topic by paragraphs, okay? And then include at least 1 quotation or paraphrased idea for each of the 2 sources you plan to use in your essay. For each quotation or paraphrase, include MLA-style in-text citation with the author's last name and page number or paragraph number in parentheses. That would be the last name and the paragraph or page number. If there is no paragraph or you can't count the paragraph, then it's okay just to put the last name in parentheses at the end. Include an MLA-style works cited list with 2 or more module readings you plan to use in the essay at the end of the post. Don't forget that you do need to respond to 2 other peers' posts, and you can ask questions. You can build on something your classmates have said, explain why or how you see things differently, offer and support an opinion, validate an idea with your own experience, or expand on your classmates' post. You certainly can ask for evidence that supports the post. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.